Hey, to enable second space on the POCO F6 Pro, first of all, we'll have to go into the settings. Now navigate all the way down and go into the additional settings. Right now, you have to go into the second space, so it will be available just right here. And now go into the turn on second space. Now we have to wait for this creating process, so it will take probably around few seconds. And this mode will actually allows us to use the smartphone with second account, like for example on the Windows PC. And then we have to just turn on the screen, click continue. And now we can use a password if you need, or you can use a shortcut. You can decide. In my case, I will get this to use a simple shortcut. Now we have to create password for the second space, but you don't need. If you want to protect your data, you can do this by creating password, but I don't need this, so I'm gonna click skip. Next, you will have to wait for this creation process, and as you can see right now, it's turned on. So it looks like we just log in into the different account, right? Everything is different, the wallpaper, the settings of the screen. So yeah, that's how we can do this. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.